gray, gloomy, cool day outside. Let's get a first check on your weather with our chief meteorologist, Mike Hurd.
I stepped out the front door this morning, whoop, bam, right on the ground, and I took a picture of the sidewalk and the porch, and there was a thin layer of ice, and I got a little creative and
You went curling.
Yeah, I went curling on the back deck there with a
in.
10-pound dumbbell weight. So yeah, it was very icy. There was just some pockets of freezing rain around the valley this morning because this Arctic front is blowing through, but most of the moisture now is gone. So we'll see colder overnight temperatures tonight, and then we'll see a rebound on those daytime highs beginning tomorrow afternoon. Teens in the morning for Butte, maybe ending up in the single digits early, but we should warm up in the mid to upper 40s in the afternoon. It'll be a colder night for Bozeman as well. On the drier side, teens and 20s early, low to mid 40s coming up into the afternoon. Now in my full forecast, another weather maker is on the way late weekend, and that could bring another rain snow mix and more travel headaches to go along with that. So I'll go over those details in a few minutes.
All right, thank you, Mike.
Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Mike Hurd.
We'll be monitoring a lot of storm activity and the progression of these storms over the next couple of days. A lot of this is lifting up and over the top of a high pressure ridge several days out, and this will likely change up our weather pattern as we get deeper into the weekend. But for now, we're looking at the other side of this high pressure ridge with the northwesterly flow, some cool Arctic air dropping back into Montana, but it's also racing off towards the east. So this cold front is slowly digging to the south, but we have this ridge pattern which is going to pump in some milder air as early as tomorrow afternoon. The trade-off, though, is this evening under clear skies and colder air entrenched in many valleys. We'll be ending up down there in the very low single digits by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow looks like a wonderful sunny day as well as Friday, and with this high pressure ridge sitting here, Saturday looks pretty good as well. So we're going to bring back 50s, maybe a few lower 60s, especially by Friday and into Saturday. But the ridge is going to collapse as we got this Canadian clipper dropping in and another system hitting the coast sometime Saturday evening into Sunday. And that's going to bring back the chance for some gusty winds, rain change into snow, and maybe some wintry travel concerns Sunday evening and into early Monday morning. But that's several days out. 34 degrees right now in Butte under mostly clear skies. Cooler today, high of only 37, 22 near normal start. We got a steady barometer, good visibility out there. Light winds. Bozeman and Belgrade, a little colder today. Only up to 34 for high on the MSU campus, down to 24 right now. And a little bit of light rain this morning, but it wasn't widespread, very hit and miss, and it did really ice up some roadways in and around the valley. Temperatures currently are a little bit warmer towards West Yellowstone, a little cooler closer to the Arctic air near Belgrade. Look at the teens in here across much of central and single digits along the high line. So tonight, I got single digits, teens and 20s in there under clearing skies. Watch for some patchy fog. Tomorrow, we're up a little bit better than today. Upper 40s and lower 50s are in there. So I'll give it time. It's going to be a cold start, but it should be a mild late afternoon. Single digits through the teens here for the rest of us under clearing skies. Wind should be fairly light. Then tomorrow, those temperatures eventually will climb into the lower 40s, maybe even a few lower 50s. Mostly sunny skies, so not as chilly tomorrow. We'll do better than that on Friday and Saturday, aiming for that mid 50 range, and then we'll bring back a chance for some rain or snow, and then that'll be gone by time we get into Veterans Day on Monday. So you can see a little cooler weather is planned late weekend, early next week, and teens and 20s for most overnight lows. For Butte, again, gradually building up some heat, but it's going to be a cold start tomorrow, down around 8 degrees, but mid 50s are possible by Friday and Saturday. Winds will be picking up throughout the day on Saturday, and then a cold front drops in, and that's going to bring some scattered snow showers and cooler highs and lows in the early half of next week. Down in Dillon, mostly dry. There could be some mountain snow showers Sunday into Monday. Highs will try and reach the low 50s tomorrow, mid 50s Friday and Saturday, and then the upper 30s and lower 40s. A little bit of a cooling trend next week, and mostly dry for West Yellowstone too. A very cold start tomorrow morning, down around 0, but 40s for most highs until next week. Then we cool down into the 30s, but teens for most overnight lows once we bring back some increasing clouds again late weekend into early next week.
All right, thanks, Mike. Nick Petrotroni's in with our sports update. We're talking athlete of the week.
It takes us to the mining city where a Butte Bulldog and future Montana State Bobcat is looking to leave a legacy. Story next.